Norway travel short script. Norway is a land of natural beauty and peaceful living. People here live a simple, happy, and disciplined life. Norwegian food includes seafood, salmon, bread, cheese, and healthy meals. Animals are protected by strict laws, and nature is respected everywhere. Hospitals in Norway are modern, clean, and offer free or low-cost healthcare. Buildings are stylish, eco-friendly, and well-planned. Norway's mountains, fjords, waterfalls, and snowy landscapes make it one of the world's most beautiful countries. Sweden travel short script. Sweden is known for innovation, cleanliness, and high living standards. People live balanced lives, focusing on work, family, and nature. Swedish food includes meatballs, fish, potatoes, and fresh dairy products. Animals are treated with care, and wildlife is well preserved. Hospitals are advanced and provide excellent healthcare services. Buildings are modern, minimal, and sustainable. Norway is one of the most beautiful if Sweden's healthcare system is advanced and reliable. Hospitals are clean, modern, and well organized. Citizens receive quality medical treatment at affordable costs. Emergency services are fast and efficient. All in peaceful countries in Europe, famous for its natural scenery and high quality of life. Norwegian people are calm, honest, and disciplined. They believe in equality, hard work, and work-life balance. People enjoy spending time with family and nature, even in cold weather. Buildings in Norway are modern, eco-friendly, and well-planned. Houses are designed to survive cold weather and snowfall. Cities are clean, organized, and surrounded by nature. Even in big cities, green spaces are common.